Number 2. GL.iNet GL.MT3000 Wireless Travel Router. Navigating hotel Wi-Fi can be a hassle, but the GL.iNet GL.MT3000 changes the game entirely. This portable router simplifies connecting multiple devices, even when facing a tricky login system. Plus, it creates a secure network, making it ideal for travelers. The GL.MT3000's compatibility with over 30 VPN service providers is a game changer. You can stream, browse, and work without compromising on security. This router's capacity to handle up to 70 devices is impressive, ensuring everyone in your group stays connected. Unlike many similar models, this router has an ad guard feature to protect against malware, phishing ads, and online trackers. This is a lifesaver when accessing unfamiliar Wi-Fi networks on the go. It's one of my favorite aspects of this device because it offers invaluable peace of mind. Boosting Wi-Fi signals throughout a space makes the GL.MT3000 perfect for vacation rentals. If the Wi-Fi is strong in one room but weak in another, this router remedies that effortlessly. It's like having a magic wand for your internet woes. If there's one thing I'd tweak, it's the initial setup process. While not overly complicated, it requires a bit of patience. That said, once up and running, the GL.MT3000 veritably shines, outperforming many routers in its category. In summary, the GL.iNet GL.MT3000 excels in providing secure, high-speed internet for a multitude of devices. With its VPN compatibility and Wi-Fi boosting capabilities, it's a top-notch travel companion. Dive deeper into what makes the GL.MT3000 a must-have for any tech-savvy traveler. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.